Mark the Meerkat suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the Rockstar Trading Room, and perhaps your future mentor. Well, here's the trade that we had this morning on CMG, Chipotle Mexican Grill. Here it is at opening. It closed at $297 yesterday, and then bam, all the way down here at $267. That's almost a 10% drop. Well, let's see what happened next. Now, what you don't see here is in pre-market, it had been actually rising off of its lows in pre-market and was high basing here. And it was continuing to high base, and then boom, it popped up there. And so I told folks, and then it started to high base a second time. I said, if it breaks out of this, we want to be long. And boom, there we go. We are out of it, and we are now long at $271.45. You say, well, Mark, this is a really expensive stock. Well, you don't have to buy 1,000 shares. Just buy the appropriate for your lot size that you normally trade. Here we go. Let's see what happened next. And it's going up. It's going up. Boom, boom. This is great. Yeah, pulled back here. Now, what it did, hit this 8 EMA, exponential moving average. It finally caught up with it after that big drop. And it's acting as resistance, but now it's doing what? A bull pullback here. Let's see if it can break through that 8. And sure enough, it does. It's coming up here. Now we're up here to the $280 mark, and also this falling 50-period moving average. And let's see, it broke through it. This is great, but that 280, can it get above? No, it can't. It pulled down. It closed below that possible support, and then so I went ahead and got out here at $277.50. So this trade from breakout right here and all the way up and pulled back to here was for 2.2% in 13 minutes. Well, where did it go after that? It did pull back a little bit, and then we did trade it again a little bit later when it started to move again. If this year is the year that you are going to be the best trader you can possibly be, my recommendation for you is to get the best formalized trading education you can. And this weekend, we have an online live session that you can attend at the Grok 3-day immersion mentoring training. I will be leading it on Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. And so for those of you who work on Monday, you don't have to take a day off if you have it off for Martin Luther King Day this week. So if you'd like to find out more information about this, just go to our free online trading education site, hit the mentoring button right here, and then down below you can see a description of it and actually testimonials from folks who've been through it before. Then right here, fill this out and hit submit, and we'll give you a call to see if it's appropriate for you to be in the 3-day immersion training this weekend. Well, Mark the Meerkat suffering here, just to remind you, paraphrasing Mark Douglas in his book Trading in the Zone, that each and every trade is a separate and random event. Trade well.